Hey guys, so today I have got the April Witch Casket box to show you. Now, for anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it is a UK box and it's £29. For existing subscribers that already get it, it's £27, but now I think they've put the price up slightly for new people for £29. They do post it worldwide, so everybody can get it. I'll put all the info that I know down below, but you might have to go and check their website for your own country. And yeah, we're just going to see what is in here. Like I said, this is the April box, and this month's theme is intuition. So it seems to be sort of a really creamy light green colour, and purple is the theme. This is the little booklet that you get with it that tells you what is inside the box. We're not going to go through that because I'm going to show you what is in here, but it does have more information in here in case you need it. So that's the little booklet. Then we have a little print. So you always get an art print in these, and this is what this one looks like. It's got like a little teacup, pendulum, crystal ball, I'm assuming, some cards. So that is that. Then we have a little book which is called The Art of Divination by Deb Robinson, and this book is a basic instruction to the most common methods of divination. So they have handmade this themselves, and it's got things about scrying, the crystal ball, hydromancy, loads of different things basically. I'm not going to hold them all up because we would be here all day. Like, it's really full of loads of different stuff, but pretty cute though. I mean, that must have taken them a lot of time to make, so I like the effort that has gone into that little booklet. Then next we have our spell kit for the month. So you always get a spell in these as well. And this one is the Third Eye Bath or Shower Ritual. It says it contains everything you need to open your third eye and enhance your psychic abilities. So we will open this and see what is in here. Okay, so in here we have our little instructions. I will hold it up in case you want to pause it and read what it says. If you can, very small writing, but hopefully if you kind of zoom in, you'll be able to see. So that's our instructions. Then we have some lavender and some jasmine flower. So that is our little herbs that come with it. Then we have this little kind of tea bag sort of pouch that you put your spell in to make it in. And we also have, I'm not sure what this is. What is this? Oh, some lavender bath salts. These are like really bright purple. So that is the little ritual kit. Next we have this, which is just like a little wooden altar decoration item. It is a black pentacle that's kind of cut out, and it has a little stand, so you could just put this absolutely anywhere you wanted. It's pretty cute. Not really sure what you would use it for apart from a decoration, but there is that though. Then we have two little bags of tea. Now usually you get a loose leaf tea, but I'm gonna assume that these are tea bags because they're kind of like pre-packaged. And this is a Prophetic Dreams Jasmine tea, apparently. Oh, throwing them everywhere. So two of those. Then we have our pin for the month. So this one is kind of like a crystal ball, I think. It reminds me of a Venus flytrap, but I definitely think it's supposed to be a crystal ball. So that's pretty cool. It's definitely very unusual looking. Then next we have this. There's a lot of items in this box. I'm quite liking this one so far. So this one is a unscented soy wax candle. So let's have a see what it looks like. Okay. So it's kind of like a green marble effect. I think it's glass, I would assume. Little candle. It says it's unscented, but for some reason I really want to smell it. But yeah, very cute little pot. You could use this as a little plant pot when the candle's finished, or you could refill it with another candle. Definitely a nice little decoration. So there is that. Then next we have this little velvety bag with the same design as the pin on the front of it here. And in here we've got a little card and a stone. So this is an Amethyst Intuition stone. And this is what it looks like. For some reason my camera is very dark, so I'm not really sure if it's showing up great. But it says, amethyst has long been recognised as one of the ultimate spiritual crystals, and in many ancient cultures only royalty, priests and priestesses had access to the mysteries and secrets of the stone. Hold this crystal close to help open and stimulate your third eye and enhance insight and intuition. So that is that in the little bag. Then we have a black metal candle wick trimmer. I actually only just bought one of these the other day, so that's pretty bad timing on my part. But basically you hold it like scissors and you cut the wick of a candle shorter at the end so that it burns better. So that's pretty cool if you don't have one of those. And then we've got 2 items left. So the first one is in this little purple bag, and this is a magical key, apparently. Literally just says magical key, and this is what it looks like. Again, same design as the pin up here, has a little purple tassel on the end of it. And it says, keys have long been believed to offer protection from evil, so carry this with you to shield you as you open the doors of opportunity. If you need to unlock a particular path, sit with your key and set that intention, allow it to guide you. So yeah, very random, again, weird item, but very pretty though, really nicely made. I love that they've had all of this stuff like handmade themselves to all go with the same theme. I think it's really cool what which Casket does in that kind of sense. They get all this stuff made, so it's pretty cool. There is that. And then the last thing that we have before the scroll is this little bag, which is like a canvas drawstring. And again, it has this crystal ball eye design on the front. And in here there is some cards and I think a dice as well. Yeah, this is an intuition deck and die. So this is what our die or dice looks like. It is some kind of gemstone, but I'm not too sure what kind. It's sort of a purple and yellow mixture. And on here we've got like a heart, a question mark, a tree, a spiral, this little symbol, and basically each different thing goes to a different card. So for example, the heart is for romance, the spiral is for spiritual or emotional health, and the tree is for growth, etc. So you shuffle the cards, roll this, and whichever one it lands on and whichever card you pick kind of helps you in that area of life. So that is the little instruction card, and then this is what the other cards look like. So that is the back of them, and then this is the front of them. They all have different things on them. So for example, this one says, it's time to assess, to reflect and to acknowledge that there is work to be done, and you must calculate what step you need to take next to manifest your desires. So yeah, just a little card deck in this little bag. And then finally we have our scroll. So I will open this and hold it up in case any of you want to pause it and read it. So this one is a guide to your third eye. So I will hold this up here. Like I said, if you want to pause the video, then you can do. I know some of you like to read these and some of you like to jot them down if you have like a book of shadows or anything like that. And yeah, that was everything in this month's April Witch Casket box. So I will quickly go over it all again so you can see it all at once. So there was the Art of Divination booklet, the art print, the Third Eye Bath or Shower spell kit, the little cards and dice, the Intuition Amethyst stone, the pin, the 2 jasmine teas, the magical key, the black metal wick trimmer for candles, the wooden pentacle altar decoration, and the soy wax candle. So all of these things along with the scroll is what was in this month's Witch Casket box. Definitely a good one, I think, personally. One of the best ones they've done in a while. I loved all of these little, like everything kind of matched, and they'd had it all handmade for this box, which was really nice. Literally everything has this same design on it, which is really cool. I'm having to rush now because my camera is literally going to die any second, but I will put all the info down below for Witch Casket in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.